Hey everyone! Today, we're comparing Turbolearn AI and StuDocu AI, two platforms that aim to make studying faster and smarter. Turbolearn AI focuses on breaking down learning into digestible summaries, personalized quizzes, and adaptive flashcards powered by artificial intelligence. We found it excellent for active recall and test prep. On the other hand, StuDocu AI is all about providing access to a massive library of study notes and AI-powered explanations. It's more content-heavy and resource-driven. Pros of Turbolearn AI: quick personalized summaries, gamified learning with quizzes, and great for focused test prep. Cons: limited if you need deep academic papers and requires consistent use to maximize benefits. Pros of StuDocu AI: huge variety of uploaded notes from real students, strong AI assistance for explanation, and helpful for essay prep and research. Cons: quality of documents can vary, and interface isn't as streamlined as Turbolearn AI. Overall, we'd say Turbolearn AI is better for active learning and memorization, while StuDocu AI shines for reference materials and broader research. Depending on your study style, one may fit better than the other. This has been How to Literally Keep Things Smart and Simple and Scam-Free.